how to fix can't export videos in CapCut for PC. So if you want to fix can't export videos in CapCut for PC, then what you need to do is just open up your CapCut and then go with settings, which will be in the upper right. Once you open up your settings, you need to again click on settings, and it will take you to this kind of interface where what you need to do is just go with the cache size and then go with delete, which is here on the right side, and go with OK and delete the cache size or the cache. Wait for some time till it loads to 100%. Once you've done that, now you just need simply go with save and it will fix your problem. And you can go with trash, which is on the right side, and then simply delete on trash and then go with delete again, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is just simply search for disk cleanup and open up your disk cleanup and then enter your C disk and go with OK. And once you've cleaned, you just need to simply choose the files, temporary files, and then go with OK, and it will clear some space on your disk. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't export videos in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.